There we go. So I would
Thank you.
do here a call to action section. So we get the button in there.
Oh, okay. I was just thinking, what? There's obviously more. Okay, there we go. All right. Oops. So
We want to put a title, the big title.
is this of the call to action or of conscious psychologist?
The call to action.
So what was that? That was just a simple get started. Okay.
That might be the button text then. So
Sorry?
let's do conscious psychologist, connect,
Okay.
and then in the body text. The body text would be connecting you to you, and we can adjust the font.
Where does it say body text though?
Oh, the content. Sorry. Web designer.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And then in design, we want to change the font so that they match. Do you know what your script font is?
Yep. So, why is it? Then
you're in the row settings. You want to
yeah.
be in the module
Oh,
settings.
here we go.
There you
go. But I remember I can't change it here. How do I change the font here?
That's in design, the tab right up at the top, middle.
Right. Yeah.
And then text is going to be that creating you to you font.
Okay.
Body text.
Yeah, I was just looking. So the title test, how do I have it? I'm sorry, I keep going back to my photos. Okay.
That's fine.
I think I just had that as the default.
Yeah, that font looks correct already.
Yeah.
Conscious psychologist looks correct.
Like I probably need to change that anyway, but what's it called? I don't know what sizing, but this is all stuff I can play with by the looks of things, which is exciting. Yeah, I probably need to make that a bit bigger though. What is it going to ask you? Now, where's
you might have to click outside of it and then get the box to.
Oh my word, it's not going. Although I can do it from here. Remember this. I know. Okay, that's a good size. It's not going to let me get the one I want. There we go.
So now in design, you're going to go for body text. Okay, scroll down a little bit, you'll see the font size.
It's just hard to know what that looks like. Can I move this? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you just have to select the font, go to content, the content tab.
Okay. I do want that one. So I have to make sure.
That's okay. We just have to go to the content tab and take the heading tag off of connecting you to you.
In the text section?
Correct.
Yeah.
Down a little further. Yep. So highlight that and just put it back to paragraph.
Oh, that's what it's done. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then body text is where you would edit the size.
Yeah. And I think that looks pretty much okay anyway. That'll do. Okay. And then where's the box thing? Let me just move us out the way.
So then the button doesn't show up because
action.
we have to put the link. We have to put the link in that box.
Okay, so I can
go back to the, yep, grab the link from there.
Is that under
link.
advanced?
Nope,
Oh,
right under.
right there.
Yep.
Okay. Go back here. Here. Where do I? Oh, there.
There you go.
Oh, okay. We don't want that. How do I change the text of that?
Okay, so design tab. And then there should be a section for the button.
Yeah.
And then turn custom styles on. Just flip the no to yes right there. Up a little higher, right there.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, I see. Okay. I might leave the size for now.
Let's change the font first.
Oh, that's the weight. I might do. Okay, that'll do. Oh, okay.
And then we probably want to turn the button gray, correct? Like it is on the
yeah,
desktop
I was just
view.
looking at that. Do we have to? I don't know. That kind of looks okay, but yeah, let's see. It sticks out a bit more, doesn't it?
Yep.
Even if
I would change the border and the background. The big section is the background.
This one?
Nope, up a little higher. Right there. Add background color.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, they make it a big block instead. And you should be able to select it from down below if you scroll a little bit.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay, cool.
And then the button on the desktop view does not have rounded edges. Is it okay to leave it rounded here? It's got a 3-point round, it looks like.
I kind of like the rounded edges, actually. I prefer that.
And then let's change the
How do I do
background
that?
to the, I'll get there in just a sec. Let's change the background to match this pink section. So that's pink end to end. So we want to go to the blue section and hit the gearbox.
Yeah.
And background. And then we want to pick that pink color.
So just if I go here, okay, like this one?
It might be in your selection. Okay.
Like that?
Yep. And then we want to go to advanced and make sure this is only visible on mobile and tablet. So disable on desktop.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go fix that other button for desktop.
Okay, so here,
And then design.
Design.
And then button. And then scroll down. You should see rounded edges, I believe they call it. Yep, border radius.
The border radius?
We want to put a 3. Yep, just put it to 3.
That's so cool.
Huh. There you go.
Awesome.
And then if we save the page, it should look good on mobile now.
How do I save? So I've got to keep moving. There it is. I've got to keep moving this around. Our videos were in the way.
That's okay. Refresh. There we go. Looks great on mobile. That pink color looks more like your gold color. Is that what it's supposed to be? It was pink on my desktop for some reason. I think my colors are off.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So, oh, it's interesting. It hasn't changed. Oh, I haven't. Okay, I did change that image, but it obviously hasn't saved, so that's okay. Do you know, just out of interest, see how this picture's circular? That's because I made it circular outside and brought an image in. But can you change the shapes of images? Like, so see this image here, or these boxes, or even this image. Can you change the shapes?
If it's an image module, yes, you would, just like we did with the border radius on the outline for the button, we would do something similar for the images.
Okay.
Yep, there you go. So you change them all to probably like 500. It's going to depend on what the size of the image height is. The border section. Yep. See where it says 0 pixels? Yep.
Oh, yeah. I see. Oh, very cool. Okay, great. I'll play with that. That's fine. Because the next important one is this one. Oh. Huh.
So for those are backgrounds to the sections. So you would have to, that's a lot more complicated. It would be a lot of coding to get that to be circular. So I would create
that's not important.
Call to action section and put the image separate.
Okay. All right, but I'll just explain. So that's even like not even a big deal because for this moment. What's happened here? It's actually set itself up into 3. It wasn't before, so that's cool. Like, it was just the third one was underneath, so it's all in a row. So I need them all to be the same size. And I've added this conscious I need to change all the details, which is fine. I can do the text wise.
Surprise.
If I just got home. Hi.
Hi.
He says hi.
Hi.
We got interrupted.
Just right here. All right, come on, dogs.
Okay, so we're trying to make them the same height. Is that what you're trying to get at?
I want to make them the same height. The first box here is actually a duplicate of one of them. I can't remember which one. So I need to know, when I click on learn more, how do I put in a link of where I want it to go?
Okay, so let's edit this. Let's see what the section or the modules are. Is this a call to action module? Is it text and a button?
More, this is going to be my services, so it's all going to be changing. So I've got the psychology, which is the first one, which is what I'm working on, and I need to change the images as well.
Okay.
And
so
yeah.
so
the learn more story is going to take me to a section on my website that's got more information, I'm assuming.
Okay. Go back to the website. We would need to edit the button. So is this a call to action module?
Let me see. I'm trying to find the little. Do I go to the green or the gray?
The gray. We want to see what the gray sections are.
Individual one.
Okay, so it's a call to action. So the button link would be down a little further, past the content section. There you go. So that's where it would link to.
Okay, so that's under my. Oh, sorry, I just have to move us around again.
If you turn your video off, you could shrink it down to just say talking.
Yeah, I was trying to turn my video off and it wouldn't let me. I thought maybe because I need the video for you to see my screen.
No, it'll still leave the screen up.
I just have to keep moving our box around, but yeah, that's fine. Oh, it won't let me do it here, I guess, because I'm in the builder, aren't I? Because there's a section at the top of my page normally. Oh, here we go. Work with me. So see how under work with me, there's those different links. So I'm going to need to change. Right. Okay, so what I could probably do is just change the language of that evolving consciousness group and then use that link because it's already there. The link's already there by the looks of things. So I just have to change the wording and stuff.
Okay, so that would be in the WordPress dashboard under menus. We would edit the text there.
Okay. We can maybe look at that after. So I just need to know how do we make these all the same size and how do I change the image?
Okay, so to change the image, we want to, on the, probably the gearbox for the gray section, let's check what the background is set to. So scroll down.
All right, under content.
Great. It might be under content on the background.
Okay. Okay.
There we go.
Great. Yeah, so I can do that. So that's fine. And the sizing.
So the section that says content needs to have the same amount of rows in each one for the text. So for this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of text, whereas the other one, there's in the middle, there's only 5.
Oh, so it's the amount of text on the.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
The way
So
to fix that is instead of using the call to action section, we could use text box and a button, and then I can adjust the padding for how low the button sits in the section. You'd have to rebuild it.
Yeah.
It's easier to just fix the text to fit.
I'll just fix the text.
Enter a few times.
I can do that, no problems. All right. So what were you just saying I need to do now? Oh yeah, in the menu, what? What were you
Okay,
saying
so hit
about...
save on this page.
Sorry, there was meant to be some information here. I just don't know where it's gone. Just give me 2 seconds. Can you see how in the images, can you see the images I sent you?
Right, yeah. I think for mobile view, it's just the image.
See how there's yeah, the text has disappeared from this view. So let me just see if no,
it looks okay when you view it outside of the builder.
Oh,
I think
outside of the
that's
builder.
correct.
So
Yeah,
it's
I think
got
it's
the
just because you're in the builder.
7 steps to creating. Okay, cool. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so the oh, it's taking me to my thing. It's okay. Where did you say I go for those links and stuff?
Okay, so it's in the WordPress dashboard, appearance, and then menus. Hit save. Yeah, we want to save.
Mm-hmm. Just going a bit slow, sorry. It is doing that. Okay, and?
Appearance, and then menus.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm gonna scroll down a little bit.
Oh, I see.
So you're,
okay.
Yep. You can, if it's the same page, you just want to rename it. If you hit the little down arrow next to it, you can type in a new title for it.
Yeah. And if I want to change the content?
We would have to edit the page or create a whole new page and load it in here.
Okay. All right. Let me see how I... Yeah, I just need to edit the page. So is that back on the other section?
Right. So we would go to that page under
Yeah.
pages on the left sidebar. And then we edit the page.
Okay. So pages and appearance. Okay. All right, cool. I can have a look at those. And let me see how I go. I really appreciate it. Sorry, I didn't know it was going to take so long.
No, it's okay. First hour is always free.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, and that's good to know because, like I said, I do want to make some bigger changes. It's just I don't know if I didn't explain to you. Like I do a lot of energy work, so because I'm shifting and changing. Like my website was feeling a bit old and stuck, so I have to make these changes to keep moving. But yeah, anyway, really, really appreciate it.
No problem.
Yeah, and it's evening there for you, so I wish you a fabulous evening. If you can send me through the recording when you get a chance. No
Sure.
rush.
I'll upload it to YouTube.
That'd be great. Okay, perfect. And yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I think you friended me on Facebook, so we'll stay in touch.
Yeah. Yeah, just
Okay.
hit me up when you have questions. I also have a Facebook group for websites and social media help, so I'll link you over to that too, so you can just pop questions
Fabulous.
there, and whoever's available will help.
That's great. Okay, thanks so much, Cynthia.
Thank you. Chat later.
Nice to meet you. Okay, bye.
You too. Bye.